doing? ¿Qué haces, mi amorcito? Oh, you closed the door. Oh, bye-bye. Hello. Bye-bye. Ashton.
Not again.
Ashton. Bye-bye. Hey, what are you doing?
Pin my head back out.
Let's look for your brother. He's disappeared. What are you doing? Oh.
No.
Where are you going? Get over here. Get out of there. Bye-bye. Ven. Ven para acá. Ashton. Ashton. Ven para acá. Vente. Hey, Ashton. Ven para acá. Oh, it's a ghost. Oh, you better get away. Hey. Hey, chiquito. Ashton. What are you doing? Hey. What's wrong?
They're open. Oh, you can take care of me. You want to take care of me.
I am.
We'll sit back right there. I'm sitting right there.
Ashton, look.
As I told you. Sit right there like I told you.
I want to sit here.
Sit there. Okay, sit there.
Ashton. Look. Do you want to play the guitar? Good boy. Oh. Well, it's okay. It's okay. What's the matter? What's that? What a fake cry. TJ. Can I have a besito? What's wrong?
I can't get this out. It turned back to a robot. But did take it back out.
Let's see. No, that's something Daddy would have to do.
What am I doing?
Oh, well, you fell, Mr. Gordito. Hey. Ooh. Adios. Ashton, bye-bye. Hey. Adios. Adios. Bye-bye.
Hey,
What?
I hope you enjoy these quiet guitars.
Why?
Because they're short for this world.
Why?
Because of something my dad told me to do.
What are you doing?
I bought TJ an electric guitar with an amp. What?
Peachy.
Exactly.
This is Daddy's cleaned my room, and because he was home for 2 days, and all he did was he was clean my room.
I cleaned your room yesterday. So I didn't do
Clap,
it today.
clap, 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 clap.
Love me regardless. Don't punch me.
Clap, clap. Look, Daddy. Clap, clap. clap, clap. Hey.
Ashton, bye-bye.
Clap, clap.
Can you say dada? Say dada. Say dada. Dada.
Oh, my beautiful baby. My beautiful toddler, who's a big preschooler now.
Say bye-bye.
I got the clapping and the walking down, Dad. We are.
Guess who didn't watch any TV today?
Who didn't?
These two.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Not a single show.
That's news.
Mm-hmm. Toys in the toy room. Where?
Where are you going? Clap, clap. You're gonna hurt your fingers, mister. No, no, no. Hey, no. No, no. No. Hey, no. Daddy didn't put this up, did he? No, 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 no. 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 No, no. No. All right. Say bye-bye. This is Ashlyn at 10 months and 4 weeks. Bye-bye.